Hello everyone. Welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. In this interesting tutorial, I will show you how to add a reel in full length to your Instagram story. If you've tried to add a reel to your story directly through Instagram before, you may have noticed that it doesn't display in full length. If you want to learn how to post a reel in full length, stay tuned until the end of this video. So, if you're ready, let's start the process. First, open your Google Play Store or App Store, and then search for Repost IG for posts and stories in the search bar. Now, find the app with blue arrows and a white background called Repost for IG posts and stories, and tap on it. If you don't have this app installed, tap on Install, and wait a few seconds for the app to install. Once you're done, exit the Google Play Store or App Store and open Instagram. Next, tap on the Reels icon. Choose the reel you want to add to your story, then tap on the Share icon. Now, tap on the Copy Link option. Once you've done that, exit Instagram and open the Repost app you installed earlier. After opening the app, you'll see the reel you copied, then tap on it. Now, tap on the Add to Story option, and the reel will be added in full length to your story automatically. That's it. Very easy and simple. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.